The house that I chose is a random one that I'm living in Lincoln, Nebraska. And you can see that it's a 3 by 1 layout because it has 2 windows and a door in the bottom and 1 window on the top. Going in, you can see that there's 2 windows of equal size on the first floor and then one shorter, wider window on the top floor. And with each window, as you can see, it indents into the house, and on the outside of the house comes out at about an inch. And at the door of the house, there is 2 windows right above each other and then a mail slot right in between them. And as you can see on the roof of the house, it consists of 2 uneven sides and then a vent that isn't centered, and the window is also off center. Thank you.